Hey YouTube, what's up? What's new? What's good today? If you're watching this video with me, I hope your day is going well so far. And it hasn't. That's subject to change. Um, keep your heads up. We all going through it. We gotta motivate each other. My name is Dino Wesson. I'm from San Bernardino, California, Inland Empire. I was born in South Central LA. Lived there for like the first 8 years of my life. Lived in San Bernardino most of my life, all the way up until I was like 17, 18 years old, and pretty much been working since then. And my work takes me to different places. So right now I'm reporting live from El Paso, Texas. I'm a creator by nature. I'm a fashion lover. I'm a music lover. I love everything about music. Music is that one thing that could make your mood change. Is that one thing, like, you might not be in the mood to clean up, but sometimes you can listen to a song, you won't even recognize that you're cleaning up. It'll get you in the beast mode when you're in the gym. It'll make you from okay to make you to super sad. It can make you from being sad to happy. It's like one of the most, to me, effective influencers of your mind and your mood. So it's something I've always appreciated. It's helped me through so many things, and it's brought so much out of me. And I appreciate it so much. I appreciate the artists for being able to connect with me on that level. And so I appreciate all different genres, all different artists. To me, I respect for whatever the artist puts out there, and that connection that I can get to it. Sometimes I feel like you're living through that art form sometimes, and that's something that is something I'm very grateful for. Fashion is my thing. I love being able to express how I feel. I love being able to express sometimes what I want to feel. Just like music, it can influence so much stuff in your life, and I may not always had the best clothes or anything like that, but what I have, I've always been able to use that and be able to finesse it to where it could fit me. And yeah, sometimes you always wasn't always rocking with what you was wearing, but you know it was you. It's something that you came up with. Nobody picked it out for you. Something you picked out for yourself. So sometimes you gotta experiment what works best for you. Sometimes what makes you feel most comfortable. It's just one of those things that you can always finesse. You could always change your style up. To me, I appreciate that. That one day you could be on your bummy. The other day you could just be on your top stuff. Like pull out your clean suit. You can makes you feel like $1,000,000. Make you feel like $1,000,000 even if you don't got $1,000,000. I love that. I appreciate that. I decided to make videos because I'm a big fan of YouTube. I've always been a part of the community. I wanted to see what I could add to it. Take my crack at it. See how it pans out. I'm open to suggestions. Whatever you guys want to see. You entertain me, I can entertain y'all. I'm a sneakerhead, different from most sneakerhead. I wouldn't say I'm the average sneakerhead. I'm not the average fashion guy, but I got some heat. I would say I got some heat. probably got a different insight being that I'm from California. And I've lived in so many different places, and you know, I got many different. I can switch it up so many ways. So we can do sneaker unboxings, um, music reviews, reactions. Um, I'm I'm here for all of it. So if you like if you like what you see and you want to give it a chance, mess with my content. Um, Something different. Um, I'm very into. If I'm passionate about something, I'm very into it, and I'm excited to see where I could take this. So if you're not subscribed to me already, subscribe. If you like what you see, like the video, and if you subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna try to stay as current as possible with my content. So hit that notification bell, subscribe, share with a friend, um, get in the comment box, share ideas, speak to me, reach out to me. Peace.